And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 18. Let us go back to the distribution options. I've shown you that in the last video. We can align it and also distribute it, for example, to artboard or selection. The first 6 options are for the alignment and the next 6 options for distribution. But in the last video, I've only shown you the center distribution. So right here, vertical and horizontal center, but there are more for left, right, top and bottom. And you can see it repositions the green rectangle just slightly in the center. So how does that work? Let me copy this group. We go to the one on the left first, and that is distributed to center. So we've got vertical and horizontal center selected for the distribution options. And if I create a new rectangle here, let me make that yellow, and I go from center to center. I can now just copy this, holding Alt, left click drag, and you can see if I put it in the center of the green one, it ends at the center of the red one. And this is what the center distribution does. So it picks the center of your selected objects and then distributes it relative to that. Now let me select the 3 ones on the right, and this time I use top and left distribution. So vertical top and horizontal left. And this doesn't use the center of the 3 elements as a relative source, you could say, of the distribution. Instead, it uses the top left because I've used top, vertical, and then left horizontal distribution. And if I use my yellow rectangle here, put it to center, and you can see it doesn't end on the center of the green rectangle anymore. So the center has now been repositioned and therefore it doesn't work anymore. And if I go to top left of the black one and go to top left of the green one, and then I copy it, it now fits with the top left of the red one. Let me bring the green one to the front by just right clicking on the yellow one here in center, arrange, send to back. We can see the green one again. So by selecting this different distribution option right here, you simply set, let's call it the corner node or the center node of your elements, and this is then the relative position that is used for the distribution. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.